Hello student, my name is Birbal Kumar, your maths teacher. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the coming videos. We are doing the exercise 3.2, pair of linear equation in two variables. The question number 4, Roman number 4, okay. So Roman number 4 question is solution, okay. The 4 question is 2x minus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. This will be our 1. 4x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. Question number 2. So we can say a1 is x coefficient is 2, b1 is minus 2 and c1 is minus 2. Okay. a2 is 4, b2 is minus 4 and c2 is minus 5. Okay. Here a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. Okay, so what is a1? A1 is 2, a2 is 4, b2 is minus 2 and b1 is minus 2, b2 is minus 4 and c1 is minus 2 and c2 is minus 5. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are, so I can cancel 1 by 2. Okay, minus minus cancel, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are, so 1 by 2. Here minus minus will be cancelled, so it is 2 by 5. You see here is equal, but this is not equal, so we have to cross this one. Okay, so it means it is a parallel lines, so it will never meet each other. So if this never meet each other, it is inconsistent. If it is inconsistent, we cannot make the graph. Okay, it is said in the question. So since a1 by a2, b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, therefore for the two lines therefore the two lines are inconsistent Okay, now we are going to do the question number 5. Okay, in question number 5 it says half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its breadth is 36 meter. Find the dimension of the garden. It means we have to find out the length and breadth of the garden. So first of all we can take here question number 5. So I can take let the length and breadth of a garden be x and y. Okay, x and y, you can say x meter and y meter. Okay, so in question it is says that, see here, in question is half means 1 by 2, so I can write here half means 1 by 2. Okay, and again the question said perimeter of rectangular garden. What is the perimeter of rectangle formula is? Perimeter of rectangle formula is 2 length plus breadth. 2 length plus breadth equal to the perimeter of rectangular garden is 36. Okay, the answer is 36. So here we will write here 36. Okay, half into perimeter of rectangular garden is equal to 36. So here 2 I can cancel. So in place of length, what I have taken x, and in this I have taken y. So what will be the equations of this? This equation will be, I can write here 1 by 2 half into 2, length I have taken as x and breadth I have taken as y. The total is 36. So this will be cancelled. So x plus y is equal to 36. This is our equation number 1. Okay, next is our second equation, whose length is 4 meter more than its breadth. Means length what I have taken as x, and length is 4 meter more than its breadth, right? So I can write here for equation the length, right? So length I have taken as x equal to 4 meter more than its white means it is a breadth. So white I can write y, how much it is more, 4, right? So I can write here 4. So x, so it will come over here, minus it will be 4. This is equation number 2. Okay, now we are going to put on a graph paper. Okay, put on a graph paper. The question says to find out the graph. No, we cannot. The here question says no need to find the graph, only we can solve. Okay, so these are equation number 1, equation number 2. So we are going to solve with substitution methods. From equation from equation 1, we get x plus y is equal to 36. So x is equal to 36 minus y. Okay, so it will be equation number 3. Okay. And so substituting the value of x in equation 2. So equation 2 is our x minus y is equal to 4. So x is our 36 minus y is equal to 4. 36 minus y 4. So minus it will be minus y it will be minus 2y. 4 it is go over there, it will be minus 36 minus 2y. I do this one, what I will get here, minus 32. Minus will be cancelled. Y is equal to 32 by 2. So if I cancel it, y I will get here 16. Okay, so we got the y. So therefore putting the value of y is equal to 16 in equation 3. So x is equal to 36 minus y. So 36, what is our y value is 16. So if I minus it, what I will get here, 0 and this 2. Okay, so y value is 16 and x value is 20. Okay, so therefore the required value of length length and length and breadth length and breadth length and breadth length and breadth of a rectangular garden of a rectangular garden equal to our length is 20 meter and breadth is 16 meter. Okay, this is our answer. Thank you.